Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to Fix-It-Free. So today we're going to be discussing the problem of drag and drop on Windows 11. So we have a special solution for this problem here, and why it is special, because in this tutorial there is no need of any installation, no need of any software and download to your computer. We don't like those methods because by installing something that is not safe for your computer, and it can bring viruses to your computer and malwares to your computer. So you want a clean solution for your the drag and drop problem. Just watch this video to the end, and you will see how easy it is to fix this issue. So first thing to do, just click on the search button here and search for the registry editor by typing reg, or you just need to type the Windows button and R, and at the same time, and by typing regedit and clicking OK, the registry editor will be opened. So after that, guys, you just need to navigate to this directory, this folder package, and I will pass the location of this folder at the description. So you open the folders only by clicking on this small arrows here, as you can see, like this, or you just need to copy and paste the directory address that I will put in the description and type OK, and directly this will bring you to the destination folder, as you can see. And here you just need to right click, navigate to new, and then click on dword 32-byte value, and here you just need to type indocking, as you can see it here, indocking disabled, like this, indocking disabled. Then type OK, like this, and then again click again on the file, and here on the value data, keep it 1, like this. Make sure that the base is hexadecimal and click on OK. So right now, guys, you just need to restart your computer. So I will go over and restart the computer and continue the video tutorial. So here we're back again, guys, after starting the computer, and the first thing you'll notice that the style of the start menu looks like the Windows 10 style, but all the features are the same, as you can see, the same features of Windows 11. The only difference is this start menu. And by testing right now, let's test this image. Let's, for example, open a folder and let's test drag and drop this picture on the folder. As you can see, everything works fine, and you can copy anything to any folder or any software. So that's it, guys, that's the only difference. And so that's it, guys. If you don't like it to be that way, you just need to you can return to the initial state by just navigating again to the the registry editor folder, and by doing the same thing you just need to delete this folder like this. Delete, yes, and by restarting the computer, everything will be returned to its initial state. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to FixitFree. Thank you guys.